Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the alerts not working. So firstly you can simply open the chart in your TradingView panel. After that make sure that your alert is enabled. You can simply tap on the alert and make sure the alert is working. Okay, after that once your alert is working, now here in your alert there are many conditions and many setups. Okay, if the settings and conditions are wrong, in that case the alert not working. Like incorrect conditions, like common issues, double check and select the correct price. Like if you set the condition, here you can set the price. Okay, and here if you not set the correct amount, here means correct amount, the price setup, then the alert not working. Even a small mismatch can cause alerts to fail to trigger late. Step 2 is to adjust the trigger type. If your alert is set to once per bar close, like here you will see it will set once only. You can set it for every time. And now it will every time trigger. Okay. After that, the third common issue is you can simply check Pine script for configurations. If you are using a custom indicator, okay, like if you add here a custom your own indicator, like I already added here, I will show you in my Pine script. Here you will see, wait, here is my scripts. First EMA, EMA test, EMA strategy. If I am using my own the indicators, in that case your alert will not work. Okay, if your script is not configured with the alerts, okay, you can check it. After that, next one is you can simply enable the notifications. Many users can do that. In alert they will not enable the notification. You can simply check this button to enable the notification, display on-site notification to page corner, and then it can display the alert. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix. Goodbye.